What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix snapshot support code SS06. So the first solution is try again later. In many cases the error is temporary. Log out of Snapshot, wait a few hours, then try logging in again. Snapshot may automatically lift the restriction, allowing you to access your account normally. Secondly, try using a different device. Use a friend's phone, a tablet or a computer. Install Snapshot or open Snapshot Web, then log in using your account details. Also, using Snapshot Web by accessing your account through Snapshot Web on a PC or laptop. Open a web browser, go to Snapshot Web, then log in using your username, email, or phone number. If successful, you should be able to use Snapshot without seeing the error. And finally, try disabling VPN if you've activated it. If you're using a VPN, it may be causing the problem. Turn off your VPN, close Snapshot completely, then reopen the app and try logging in again. VPNs can sometimes trigger Snapshot security systems and result the SS06 error. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.